And by the way, the finance bill is currently going through public participation before it is tabled and debated in Parliament. Remember, the government has plans to lower the cost of living through a raft of tax proposals and the implementation of various policies. The leader of the majority in the National Assembly, Kimani Ichungwa, says that the bill proposes to zero-rate maize flour and wheat to make the commodity accessible. Ichungwa further says that bill exempts liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, to make it more affordable and also to reduce the usage of dirty fuels. Here's that report.
The finance bill has kicked up a major public storm after it was tabled in Parliament last month. The bill has been severely opposed by various stakeholders due to its plan to raise various taxes that may burden an already burdened taxpayer. Key among them is the proposal to double fuel taxes to 16% from the current 8%. The bill has also been opposed by employers and employees due to a proposal to introduce a 3% housing levy fund to finance affordable houses. Another proposal that has caused a public uproar is the attempt to impose a withholding tax of 15% on content creators. Critics have also opposed the planned increase of turnover tax from 1% to 3%, while dropping in more micro-businesses to the tax net by lowering the entry point to cover businesses with a turnover of 500,000 annually from the previous 1 million shillings. However, the leader of the majority in the National Assembly, Kimani Ichungwa, says the bill has been crafted with the public in mind. Ichungwa says the government plans to zero-rate LPG to lower the cost of the commodity and make it more affordable to Kenyans. The leader of the majority further says the bill seeks to revise the import declaration fee from 3.5% to 2.5% to stimulate local manufacturing by reducing the cost of inputs imported into the country. The railway development levy will also be lowered from 3.5% to 2.5% in a move to boost local manufacturing. The bill is expected to be tabled in Parliament for debate in the second week of June this year. Ndota Mokami for Prime Edition.